Big for Raw Skills, Bushcraft Survival Adventures here. How you doing today? And looking at where I am right now, we are in the wonderful little town of Jasper, Alberta. And I just figured let's get out for a nice little run today and hit one of the peaks. Me and the girlfriend and the dogs have been out the last couple of days doing some big hikes. So I just figured to get myself out for a bit of a run for a couple of hours and sneak off. So I'm going to go and basically take on this little mountain here called the Whistlers. It's 2,464 meters above sea level. It's only a little one, not huge compared to some of them around here. And then I'm going to get up there and maybe do a bit of a sky run and head around and do Indian Ridge and see what else I can get done today. So anyway, stay tuned. Should be a good day, should be fun. So the plan for today is leave this parking lot right here, head on up this trail through around all these switchbacks to about this area here, and I'm going to try and pick my way through the scree and head up the unofficial route up to the skytram station that's at the top of the mountain there. And then once I hit that, going to head up and along the ridge lines up to the Whistlers peaks, which are 2,464 meters above sea level, and then keep going along. We should hit Indian Ridge, and then there's another random little ridge over a bit further along. So it should be a fantastic day. I'm starting out a little bit later. It's nearly midday now, so it's going to be a toasty one, but bringing plenty of water, some electrolytes. I've got my water filter with me to get some runoff water up the top hopefully, and then wear the old peak cap too, and we should be golden. So anyway, it's going to be a fun one. Let's get rolling. So this is the start of the trail. See, I'm okay there. I've got the walking poles ready for the steep scramble, but we started off a bit of a deep woods hike here, and meant to get into the sub-alpine, and then we'll get into the alpine then, and we're going right up there. So it should be a good one. It's gonna be a little toasty once we get out of the woods, but my own fault. Getting up early on a Sunday is just not my forte, so I'll suffer through the heat a little. That's all good though. Legs are feeling not too bad from the long hikes we've just been doing the last couple of days. So today I'm expecting another 20k day, but this time running it as much as I can. But the first part's going to be a lot of uphill, so I hope we get some good running in once you get to the top. Get some good views of the skyline around Jasper. So that should be fun. Fantastic, but for now, I'm going to get warmed up, get the lungs working, and get the legs moving again, and we'll be good. So the views are already amazing. I love this area. Hopefully you see through the trees there, just all the mountains. Beautiful. A good boulder field here, just picking our way through. On my way through, I should say, it's not hard. Nobody else with me today. Alright, that way. I think I might try and make that scramble up there to the right of the up. Could be a laugh. Who knows? I'm just going with it, see where the route takes me. Time to crack out the walking poles, I think. Go into this scree type mess. And it goes up and up and up. So get the poles out, give me a bit more mechanical advantage, yeah. I'm here just getting my poles out and I hear what sounds like a little bird's noise, but actually it's, I don't know, you might not be able to make it out on the camera. There are a couple of little peakers. I firstly carried these at Cathedral, Provincial Park, but running up the hill there, the little peakers going. Cute little things. I won't let me get close enough to pick my way up another route. This is just way too loose. I just slipped from up there down to this point. Very loose. Oh, maybe head this way up and round. Try and zigzag my way up. Going straight up is not going to work. They're taking the boring way up. Good old tourists. So I'm just picking my way through this horrible stuff now. Then I'm going to zigzag up this way, carrying up, find my way up through there. Challenging because sometimes you put a foot on the rock, it just goes. But good fun though, and amazing views. I just got to focus on going up for now. But this is amazing. Oh man, I love this country. Love it. This isn't social distancing, I don't know what is. Close. Should have grabbed hold of that, get me up there quicker. Try not to do too many selfies, but can't help it with this view. Selfie stick. A little bit, then I'm up to the skytram station. go. So that's the big Ristlers RV park down there. Jasper, Horseshoe Lake, River, Athabasca River, highway, main highway there. Oh, stunning, beautiful. Then we got the Valley of the Five Lakes just over that way. That's where we were yesterday. We swam in that big long one, and then there's a smaller one there. Five beautiful lakes there. A couple of horrible looking ones too. Anyway, I'm going to hit the gondola down there and head back and see the missus. Take the gondola down my ass. We got a ridge to run. We're going to head up that now, head along right to the edge of there and then back and then head down. Take the gondola down, yeah. Alright. There we are, top of the Whistler summit. That's Indian Ridge over there. I haven't got time to go and do that today. That ascent took a bit longer than I thought. It's 2 o'clock, I gotta head back down. Oh, what a wicked time. Right, time to head down now. Let's do this. It's alpine running now. Oh, making my way down, just came down from up here. Flying down. There's the summit over here. All the way across here, along, zigzagging my way down, do some of this alpine running. See the trains down there, they get so long in this country. So on the crest of that ridge there, all the way out, all the way out, all the way out, all the way, and as far as it is, there's a tunnel right over there. Craziness how long those trains are. Right, let's roll, blow these legs out a bit. A little bit of a tip: if you ever feel like there's anything going on with your feet, stop, check it out. You never know. Best checking it straight away than leaving it and then finding out your feet are destroyed later on. See, my foot's squeezing through here. Socks a bit more room to breathe. There we go, that's us back to the car. Fantastic run. A little bit naughty, I ran up near the power lines, but that's okay. What a good run though, that was fantastic. Just a beast on the uphill and then just crushing the legs on the way down. That was good fun. Oh, a nice little day trip. That'll be me now, heading back. And let's see if I can get the missus out, get her up on the skytram there before it closes. So, oh man, so that's a good day. We got to the top of the Whistlers there, which is 2,400. And hang on a minute, I got a crap memory right now. 2,464 meters. Got to see that amazing view at the top. Travelled 14 kilometers altogether according to my watch. Pace wasn't that quick, but oh well, that uphill wasn't going any faster. Yeah, overall fantastic day. Fantastic day. Anyway, stay safe out there, people. This is Nick from Raw Skills Bushcraft Survival and Adventures. Hey, get out in the woods and the wilderness and the mountains. What a wonderful place we live in. That's where that's gonna live.